Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to WatchWire News. Today we're talking about a $65 Apple Watch clone that's got everyone curious, the WithIt Giga. I thought my days of wearing a smartwatch were over after ditching mine for dumb watches and relying on a smart ring, but then I saw this guy trying out one of these clones. So I was expecting it to be pretty terrible, to be honest, but what I got was actually quite pleasantly surprised. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about the elephant in the room: counterfeit Apple Watches. These are out there, folks, and they're getting better. Some of them even replicate the design of real Apple Watches. But back to the WithIt Giga. So I got my hands on one of these clones for a few days, and I have to say it was pretty smooth sailing. The interface is similar to an Apple Watch, with all the usual features like notifications, music control, and even some basic fitness tracking. And the best part? It's only $65. Now, before you start thinking that this means you should go out and buy a clone instead of the real deal, let me tell you, I wouldn't recommend it. These clones may be cheaper, but they're not quite on par with the Apple Watch in terms of build quality or performance. And let's be real, folks, if you're gonna spend money on a smartwatch, you want to get one that's gonna last. But hey, for those who are looking for a budget-friendly option and aren't too fussy about having the latest and greatest tech, the WithIt Giga might just be worth considering. Just don't expect it to keep up with your iPhone or anything else you're using. And let's not forget, counterfeit Apple Watches can be a bit of a gamble when it comes to authenticity. So there you have it. The WithIt Giga, it may not be perfect, but it's definitely an interesting option for those who want a smartwatch without breaking the bank. We'll keep an eye on this one and let you know if anything changes. Thanks for watching WatchWire News, and we'll catch you all in the next video.